Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In previous video, we had seen how to read a joint bar graph and important points to be remembered while plotting a bar graph. Today we are going to learn how to draw a joint bar graph considering these all points.
So open your textbook page number 53. Read the question 1 in the practice set 31. The number of saplings planted by schools on World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph to show these figures. Here two schools are given, Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya, and the saplings like almond, Karanj, Neem, Ashok and Gulmohar are given, and the numbers how many they plant, that is given. So based on this information we have to draw the joint bar graph. So let's start drawing the bar graph. For this you need the graph book. So first step is to take a graph paper and draw the x-axis horizontally. So we will draw here x-axis horizontally using the ruler and pencil. So this is our x-axis. We'll give the name here x-axis, and again we will draw here the y-axis vertically, which will be intersecting to the horizontal x-axis. So here this is our y-axis. Point of intersection is O. Now keeping the distance between two sets of joint bars equal, we will show saplings on this x-axis. Taking the distance of 1 centimeter each, we will write names of the saplings. So I am going to write here the names. The first is almond, so I will write here almond. Next is Karanj. Neem, then Ashok and Gulmohar, and the label I am going to write here name of the sapling. So I am writing here name of the saplings. This is the label for x-axis. Next step is choosing a scale for y-axis. For this we have to see the range of given data. That means the biggest number and the smallest number from this given data. The biggest number is 72 and the smallest is 15. So we will take the scale 1 unit is equals to 10 saplings. Mark the numbers on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equals to 10. So here I am writing this is 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 100. Scale I am going to write here. Scale we have taken on y-axis 1 unit equals to 10 saplings. Like this you will write the scale. Using this scale we will work out the height of columns required to show the numbers of Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya. First is Nutan Vidyalaya planted 40 saplings and Bharat Vidyalaya planted 42 saplings. So we will take the 40, mark here 40 with the help of the scale. 10, 20, 30 and 40 here. I am marking here. This is 40 and the 42. So 2 rows I'll go up, 2 lines, 1 and 2. And draw the columns. Like this you will draw 2 columns which will be joined to each other. Now and mark it for Alman and draw a column of certain width. Now for Bharat Vidyalaya we mark the 42. The width of both the columns are equal. Use different colors or pattern to show the different bars in each set. So I am giving here pattern. You can also give any pattern but keep same for one. Like this we will draw the bars for Karanj, Neem, Ashok and Gulmohar. So for the Karanj the reading is 60. So I'll mark here 60 and 38. So 30 and 8 lines. Here 30, 35, 6, 7 and 8. So I'm going to mark here 38. Draw the columns and do the shading. Next is Neem. For Neem the reading is 72. So I'll take 70 plus 2 lines here and 60. 60 is here. So using this scale we will draw the columns for Neem. So here our bar graph is ready for the given information. Okay. Point to write on graph. What point you are going to write? First is label of x-axis, name of the saplings. Label of y-axis, here number of saplings. So I am going to write here number of saplings. And the scale what we have taken. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 10 saplings. Nutan Vidyalaya, for this we have given the shading, and Bharat Vidyalaya. So this is compulsory part when you are drawing a graph. Label x-axis, y-axis clearly, scale, origin and the labels. Okay. So write scale on top of the corner of bar graph paper. The width of columns should be equal. The distance between any two consecutive sets of joint bar graph should be equal. You can see the distance here 1 centimeter we have taken. So students, like this we can plot bar graph for given information. Thank you.